Good morning, denture peeps. So I have this amazing patient here today. He has been wearing the same dentures for about 17 years and he desperately needed new ones. So I have just delivered his new upper and lower replacement dentures and they look amazing. I'm going to turn around the camera and show you. Okay, look at that smile. Look at that midline. The teeth are going together perfectly. The bite is amazing. What do you think?
Oh, I love them.
Yeah,
I
I
love
think
them.
they
They're
look
really
great.
comfortable.
Awesome, awesome. Always remember when you get new dentures, it's totally natural to need adjustments. I always tell my patients I do 30 days of free adjustments when you're getting replacement dentures. That's not immediate dentures. Immediate dentures need all kinds of adjustments and I do those for 7 months. But for permanent replacement dentures, I do 30 days of free adjustments and that is totally expected. It is okay to get adjustments and don't feel like you're being a bother. Don't feel like you can't call your provider and let them know. That's expected. We make everything on that plaster model. And so until we get in the mouth and until the patient wears them and goes and eats with them and gives them kind of a test drive, until then, we don't know. So be sure and follow up with your provider if you have any problems with your new dentures. All right, have a great day.